Hi everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct and welcome to our website. Thank you for showing interest in our parts. We have a form down below on this page that you're on right now, and all you have to do is fill out the form and you can get access to our parts department. They will get in touch with you, they'll call you, they'll email you, and find out what your product's make, model, and serial number are to ensure that they recommend a part that will be compatible with your mobility scooter, power wheelchair, or any other powered mobility product that we offer. Now keep in mind, you do need to have the serial number. That way we can cross-reference our database to make sure that the part we recommend to you will actually be compatible with your unit. Every single model goes through version updates. So the model that was out last year or the year before that might have slight changes made to the design, which are all referenced by your serial number. So if you don't have a serial number, you can click right there, the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says serial number video. And we have a video that'll teach you how to find the serial number on most mobility scooters, power wheelchairs, and lift chairs. Or you can send us pictures. If you send us pictures of all the stickers, all the labels on your product, we usually can help you identify it that way. So you can send an email to parts@mobilitydirect.com. Again, that's parts@mobilitydirect.com. Or text it to the number on the screen below. That's our parts department. And as you can see, we've got parts. This is just what we have here on our desk. We're doing some repairs. We've got joysticks, wire harnesses, replacement motors, replacement controllers, throttle pads, all sorts of things, charging ports, speed knobs, battery cases, replacement seats, seat belts. We have all sorts of parts. Now, if you don't want to wait for someone to call you and you want to shop on your own, that's fine too. We have a ton of parts on our website and it's super easy to find them. All you have to do is click on the menu at the top of our website that says accessories and more. If you're on a desktop, it's going to be on the big blue bar right underneath the search bar to the right hand side. If you're on a mobile phone, you'll have to click on the top right hand corner where it says menu, and from the drop down click accessories and more. From there, I would recommend going to the search by brand section. That allows you to narrow down your search by brand first, and then it's going to show you all the models made by that brand or manufacturer. Once you find your model, click on the image or the name of that model, and it's going to bring up every single part that we have for that model specifically. We also have filter options on the right hand side of our category pages, so you can narrow down your results by different measurements, like whether or not it's a sealed lead acid battery or a lithium battery if you're looking for a battery, or if you're looking for a charger, you can measure by the amp rating, and we have tons of convenient filter options that you can choose from. Again, if you have any questions or you have a hard time finding what you're looking for, just give our parts department a call. They're friendly, they're here to help. 9 to 5 Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, with the number below, or email parts@mobilitydirect.com. By the way, if you haven't already checked out our YouTube channel, make sure you check it out. We have some really awesome content, not only educational content, we have entertainment videos, assembly videos, repair videos, new product release videos where we take scooters outdoors on torture tests. We go fishing with them, we go to the beach. We even do some pretty outrageous things that I'm not going to tell you about. You don't want to check out our YouTube channel. So click on the YouTube channel subscribe button down below. That's going to make you get notifications when we release new videos. You can also request a copy of our product catalog. We have all of our new products in our catalog. It's free to order. Just go to www.mobilitydirect.com. Go to the green button at the top of our page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. Or you could just click that button right there at the top right hand corner that says get free catalog. Until next time, everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.